So on this auspicious occasion, ISKCON Whitefield is pleased to announce the launch of the Thespian Club. Thespian literally means anything in relation to theatre. This club is formed to propagate Krishna consciousness through the medium of theatre. So in just a few moments, Thespian Club will be presenting their first performance, their debut performance entitled Bizarre Beauty. This is based on the story of Srila Prabhupada. In just a few minutes, we shall begin the play. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Long, long ago, during the reign of Gajapati Chandragupta, who was a sign of the solar dynasty of kings, there occurred an incident which has a deep message for all the generations to come. The king had a son, Prince Mahabhoga, who was the heir to the throne of Mewar. The prince lived an ostentatious life, indulging in his senses until he came across this person in his life.
What a splendid day! Who can be a happier man than me? Am I not the richest man, surrounded by thousands of loyal subjects? So much is mine now, and I will have more in the future, according to my schemes. Tapan? Tapan!
Yeah, my honor.
Would you agree?
Yeah, agree. Full agree. Today the sun shines just for you.
What a splendid day!
And of the splendid, you're the most splendid, my lord. Who in this land is more opulent than you? You're full of beauty. You're full of knowledge. You're full of strength. You're full of
Fame?
fame. Yeah, you're full of fame. Who in this land is more famous than my lord?
That's true, Tapan. That's true. Oh my God. What have we here? My eyes perceive with pleasure. Heaven holds no greater treasure.
A sight divine.
Such beautiful face. Such long hair. Thin waist. Shy. A king's prize. Tapan, go. Speak to her on my behalf. In my life, I have never seen a greater beauty.
My dear lady, His Most Magnanimous Lordship, Prince Mahabhoga, desires your hand. For he thinks that you're the greatest beauty in this kingdom.
Truly. Perhaps your lordship has no idea about What can be more beautiful than me? And maybe he doesn't have the eyes to save a real beauty?
Shall I inform your views to the prince?
You may tell the prince. If he desires my hand, he must ask my parents. We live near Jodhpur province. He may come home tomorrow evening. Good day.
Her parent, huh? She's downright proper. I am mesmerized with her beauty. I want her in my life by all means. Let's wait until tomorrow.
Dear daughter, dear daughter, the prince is coming today. Are you ready? We have to be most presentable in front of him.
Dear mother, surely I'll be my best. However, I think I need some more time to look the best in front of the prince.
Really? That's nice. You should be at your best. Put on the finest dress. Think of the pleasant things to say that will exhibit your talents and accomplishments.
Sure, mother. I am sure. The prince will be enchanted to see me in my attire.
His Highness Prince Mahabhoga.
Oh, your honorable lordships, we are blessed by your presence.
No, you don't have to do all this. We are all friends here.
Please be seated. So what can I offer you, my lord?
An offering? How nice. I'd be a fool if I had not requested you for your most precious jewel.
Jewel? You want jewelry? I would have loved to do that. But which is that jewel that I have that your highness doesn't possess?
The jewel which you have in the form of your daughter.
Oh yes, yes of course, the family jewel. It will be a great honor for my family to give you my daughter's hand in marriage. I will go and bring her out immediately. Geeta! Geeta! It's done. The prince desires your hand in marriage. What do you say?
Oh, mother. Prince is a rich and a powerful man. Right now, I don't think I'm in the presentable form. He may become disappointed with us.
Now listen to me, young woman. I have given the word that you'll serve the prince as his wife. Do you understand?
Yes, mother. I just need a week's time. Maybe then the prince will be delighted to see me.
The prince, the finest prince of all the land, Prince Mahabhoga.
Today is a big day. Today, my life becomes perfect. Where is my beautiful bride to be? Geeta? Geeta, where are you? Your prince awaits you.
Coming, my prince.
What a pleasant sight. My dear lady, why are you hiding your face?
Prince, I am your beautiful bride to be. I want to give you a surprise.
I just can't wait to see your beauty, your glow.
Please come in. I have preserved my beauty and glow in these magic pots. Please uncover them and enjoy.
Oh my God! What is this foul-smelling putrid liquid? And who are you?
Prince, it's me. I'm your beautiful.
No! You can't be. And these are not magic pots. Where is your beauty? Where is your glow?
Prince, don't be scared. These are just little mucus, some loose stools, and a lot of my vomit.
What sort of joke is this?
Prince, you think that I'm the most beautiful woman, but I'm the same woman, except for these substances, which are now separated from me. From last 1 week, I have been taking purgatives and laxatives to prepare these magic pots.
We admire what we see. How can I take my eyes off from a beauty which is visible?
Therefore, I have presented you these magic pots. These are the substances which make me beautiful.
Well, if this remains of beauty, then what is real beauty? Where to find it?
Now, don't become hopeless, Prince. You just haven't been looking at the right places for beauty. Beauty of our material body is an illusion. It's just skin deep and temporary. This false beauty can never satisfy our cravings for happiness. Real beauty is Supreme Lord Shri Krishna. A mere glimpse of his form, is a perfection of our sight, which truly delights one's existence eternally. But to behold his beautiful form, one must develop love for him.
Vedum Kvadantam Aravindadalayataksam Baravatam Samasitam Buddhasundarangam Kandarpa Kotikamaniya Vishesha Shobha Govindam Adi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami Govindam.
I have learned my lesson now. Thank you, Geeta. Real life has begun for me. There is so much more for me to learn. I owe you my life for showing me the right path. I wish to take you as my bride. I wish to marry you. Together, I wish we devote our entire life in Lord Krishna's service. I will rule the kingdom only for Lord Krishna's pleasure. Let's go, my lady.
The royal couple, all glories to Lord Krishna. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. So that was the play by Thespian Club, a presentation by ISKCON Whitefield. This Thespian Club was conceived, the whole idea of this club, conceiving this club with a view to propagate Krishna consciousness through the medium of theatre, was conceived by Kalakantha Prabhu. He formed this club about 4 months back, got these artists together, and since then all of them have been practicing a lot every week. And I now call upon the director, Mr. Kiran Kumar BJ, to introduce his team to the audience.
Hare Krishna. Thank you for bearing with us. So let me just introduce the actors first. Oh, by the way, the script was adapted from Veda Base. You must have heard of the popular story called Liquid Beauty, which Prabhupada often narrated in his lectures and essays. So this is just an adaptation of that play. So to introduce the actors. So the prince was played by Mr. Manoj. Tapan was played by Master Viresh. Geeta was played by Miss Pavitra. Geeta's mother was played by Mrs. Ritu Gupta. We also had a standby team comprising of Master Ayush and Miss Anubhuti. The narration was by Miss Ravina. She's in the control room. I don't know if you can see her. You can come on stage, Ravina. You're here. This is Ravina. So, for the music, in the lead vocals, we had Mrs. Mukta Dharma. For the scene 1 flute, we had Srimati Surabhi Devi Dasi. The flute for the last scene, we had His Grace Nandagopal Prabhu. On the mridanga was Mr. Sujan. On harmonium was Master Vaishak. On the kartal, Mr. Shubh. And in the male chorus, we had Master Avin and Master Karthik. Female chorus, Mrs. Rashmi Manoj and Srimati Surabhi Devi Dasi. On the lighting controls, we had Master Kiran Kumar. He's also back there. You can come on stage, Kiran. Light technicians, thank you very much, Mr. Ramachandra and Mr. Yashwant. And the sound technician, Mr. Pradeep. Thank you. The art direction was by Mrs. Payal Sareen Reddy. In the props making, we had Mrs. Manasa Vishal, Mrs. Ritu Gupta, and Mrs. Payal Sareen Reddy. For the props movement team, we had Mr. Prakash, Mrs. Priya, Shri Murari Krishna Dasa, Shri Veludarai. Please come on stage. Mr. Upendra, come. Master Sumit, Mr. Raju Reddy, Master Dharmesh, and Mrs. Payal Sareen Reddy again. Makeup, all the makeup was also done by Miss Ravina. The logistics and prasadam arrangement, the most important part, Mr. Prakash. And I would like to express our special thanks to Vasudev Keshav Prabhu for giving us an opportunity to perform in this, on this auspicious occasion. To His Grace Vijay Gauranga Das Prabhu for logistic support, His Grace Akinchana Chaitanya Prabhu for facility support, and His Grace Kalanidhi Prabhu for facility support. A special mention to Dr. Joseph Chandy, who sponsored this entire theatre production. And last but not the least, the one who founded this club and has been driving us to do this is His Grace Kalakanta Prabhu. Come on stage, Prabhu. Thank you very much.
Srila Prabhupada ki.